like that. Straight like this, matter of fact. For all y'all plantation owners, for all this racism that's going on around here right now, all the way through the man, all the way through the country, to the parish, all the way to the presidency. Think about this. Y'all desecrate black people and y'all be willing to do all this to all black folks, but at the same time, you heard me? Y'all was trying to rape the black folks. You had wives. Y'all white folks had wives. Why y'all still want the black? You heard me? Y'all still want the slaves. Y'all still want the ones y'all say ain't worth nothing. You heard me? But let me tell you this, straight up facts. The same way you was craving that black woman, your wife was craving that black man that was a slave too. Yeah, he was giving them more than what you could do. Yeah, straight like that. From me to you, straight like that. So think about that. All the times you done did things to white women, yeah, your wife wanted a black man. Peace to my brothers and my sisters, and I'm out. Straight like that, you heard? Straight like that.